Creating three-dimensional objects is fun. Cardboard is an easy material to use. We can make a four-sided figure. This is a great project for beginners. Making things with your hands is rewarding. You can learn new skills. You can see your vision come to life. Let's get started. First, gather your materials. You will need a cardboard sheet. You'll also need a ruler, a pencil, and scissors. Cardboard is a good choice. It is inexpensive and easy to cut. Make sure your work area is clean. A cutting mat is helpful. It protects your table from scratches. Now we can start building. Draw a square on your cardboard. Use your ruler to make straight lines. Carefully cut out the square. Use sharp scissors. This will ensure clean edges. Now, repeat the process 3 more times. You should have 4 identical squares. Align the squares carefully, tape the edges together. Use clear tape for a seamless look. You did it! You've created a 3-dimensional object. You can decorate it now. Use paint, markers, or colored paper. Get creative. You can make patterns or add designs. Cardboard creations are fun. You learned new skills today. Keep practicing. You'll be amazed by what you can create.